Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today it's a beautiful day here in the Kingdom of Denmark, and even the little robot lawnmower is out doing work. It's probably gone by now, but well, it's working very nicely now. It gets stuck in the garden somewhere sometimes, and it can't get out, but it doesn't stop by well, it's not technical difficulties anymore. It's always obstacles that it has gotten in its way, or it can just back up stupid places, but that's never mind that. This is definitely gonna be a Sunday video because this is as random as they get. Today I am cleaning up over here. Have a lot of stuff standing around here. I'm trying to clean up my workbench over here. I want to improve on that because when I made this, I kind of put a pallet in there because there was a lot of tiles behind there that I didn't want to move, and so today I want to move them and do this better. And I have filled this up with stuff. A lot of the time you will have seen that because it's usually when I'm doing video that I fill this up and don't get rid of it. And so right now I'm moving these briquettes, burning things. I'm moving them down into the basement because that's where I'm gonna be burning them. But yeah, they're kind of heavy there. Each of these bags are about 10 kilograms, and there's like, there's 12 of those, so that's 120 kilograms. So yeah, can't do anything with the table, my pallet workbench here, as long as they're sitting there. So yeah, also I've been sweeping out stuff, and in here I found have this weird hole where water is coming in. It's a sewer line. I really should replace that, but I find that, let's see, he was nice enough to let me pick him up last time. He'll probably be okay with it again. He's very friendly. Come on out here. Yeah, here we are. He's a big boy. There's a big boy. Yeah. You are so lucky. I don't eat like guys like you. So yeah. He lives in there apparently. I jumped kind of high. I was cleaning out that corner from dead leaves, and I got my hand on this dude, and yeah, I wasn't expecting that. So I just took the world record in high jump. But let's put him back in there. I tweeted out that I caught this guy, so if you're not following me on Twitter, well, I often post funny stuff like that there. Yeah, good boy. Let's put you back in. Yeah, let's get you back in there. You can go in there. You can stay there. It's a good spot for you. And you'll get some leaves back. There we are. Okay, that did not magically move itself down into the basement. I had to move that the hard way. But the plan is to, I kind of have a pallet over here at this end. I want one in the middle, and when I have that one in the middle, I think I can turn this and I can remove some of these stones that are in here. These are for my pavement down here. Bought those. I think they're all half stones. So yeah, that's the plan anyway. But I measured this one. And it's 80 centimeters. If we put that there, you can kind of see it's 80 centimeters. So in the middle somewhere here, I'm gonna put another pallet, and it's gonna be 80 centimeters and support the table here in the middle. Okay, so underneath here I usually have these boxes that I use for firewood, and I put them in here. Kind of, they can be 2 layers of them, one there, one here, and on top I think they can go 3 high underneath this. But I want to put the support over here so I get room for the maximum amount of boxes. And the middle of it, my pallet table is about here, so I should be able to have 2 boxes from here to about middle, about 120, and these are 49 centimeters. So if I put the separator just about a meter over there, I should be able to put in about 12 boxes here, which is awesome. So let's put the support in about here, about a meter in, a meter and a little bit. I don't want it to be too close. I want to be able to put the boxes in rather quickly and not have to woggle them around to fit them. So yeah, cool. Let's see. Oh, is that sacking that much? It is 180. Oh, that one is too long. Okay, I have 2 here. I don't know. Must have been drunk. I need to take off 1 centimeter of each of these 2. I see another problem. It's too wide. How can that be? That one, oh, I fixed that. I shortened that one. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, so this pallet is like 8 centimeters too wide. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this one or this one, and we are gonna, we're gonna remove 8 centimeters of the board underneath it, and we're gonna put this back on top of it. So that has to work. I think I'm gonna try and remove this one. Have the crowbar out. That was good. Awesome. Maybe I can just remove the piece down here and I can hammer it back down. That would be neat. So this is the piece that we need to shorten with about 8 centimeters, and it is 18 and a half. So if I leave 5 centimeters on each side of this, that should be good. So we're gonna try that. It's just a pallet. If this fails, I will go over to the stack and take another one, and I'll blame myself all day long. Yes. It's bloody hot today. It's like 35 degrees in the sun, and that's unusual. The Vikings are melting. Ever so slightly shorter pallet. Okay, I'm having a little bit of a difficulty to get the nails together right, so it's getting a couple of screws. Cool. Okay. we want it like a meter or something. Wait. Let's see. Great. It sticks out. Who measured this? I'm gonna have to live with that. I am too lazy to redo that. There is all the tiles that I need to move out of there. So all the tiles found their way over here instead of over here, and I also managed to build up inside the pallet here. It gives it a lot of weight. It's not going anywhere now. So yeah, I just have this bloody mess to clean up, and then I can put a pallet over here for support. Right now it's a floating table here. Okay, I went overboard and I've swept the floor or tiles in here, so it's very nice. You can kind of see there's this lip here. I think we can do something there so that some of the pallet will be sitting on that, and some of it will be sitting down there, and it will meet up with this, and we should be all good to go. Yeah, I think we can do that. But first I'm gonna shorten this pallet, and I'm gonna make it shorter than the other one, because that one is just a teeny bitty weeny little bit too long. So yeah, I'll be removing one of these boards, that one or that one, and doing the same thing but a little more. And the pallet got shorter, or less wide. Okay, in here, this lip here is about, it varies, 15.5, 15. Let's remove 15. Okay, so this is the weird contraption I've made. Go back out. There's not much left of this pallet. The table is going to be sitting on these. I'm going to screw them into these. These are going to be sticking up with the table, so I have something to mount a shell or something on. And on the back, it's going to be sitting on those. So yeah, we're going to try and put that in. Okay. Now I of course put rock in that middle one, so I'm not able to push it in as well as I could have. Maybe I can. Cool. Sitting on that lip, and it's sitting down there and comes up, and I kept these. I don't know if I'm going to be using them for anything, but they might be handy. Okay, I still have a mess to clean up, but this is kind of done now, and I have started to move stuff in here. So some insulation, haven't decided yet if it's good or if it's bad, and I have some more. Removed all that firewood, so I have some more table space. Have a mess to clean up here. I'm not gonna bother you with that. But it has been a really good day today. It has been bloody warm, hot, and we're not used to that. So I've been sweating on and off. So I've had some long breaks, some Coke breaks, been in drinking some cold cola, and yeah, weird video, sorry, I know, but well, that's what I'm doing today. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.